Hey guys, welcome back. If you are studying psychiatry or treating patients with schizophrenia, you need to know exactly how to classify the different stages of the illness. The Indian Psychiatric Society Clinical Practice Guidelines for 2026 just laid out very specific definitions for the four main stages of schizophrenia progression, and getting these right dictates your entire treatment plan. Let us break them down simply. First is the prodrome stage. The guidelines define the prodrome as a heterogeneous group of symptoms that are temporally related to the onset of psychosis. Basically, these are the early warning signs that happen right before full clinical presentation. It is not just one specific symptom, but rather a mix of changes in behavior or thinking that signal something is starting to shift. Next, we move to FEP, or first episode psychosis. The critical detail here is the timeline. The guidelines define FEP as the very first episode of psychosis, where the total duration of the illness is less than 2 to 5 years. This is your crucial early intervention window where rapid symptom control can drastically change the long-term trajectory of the patient. But what happens after those first few years? That brings us to the third stage, which is the chronic phase or multi-episode relapsing remitting stage. You classify a patient in this stage if they are experiencing either partial remissions, where symptoms never fully go away, or if they are having multiple distinct relapses and remissions over time. This is where your focus shifts heavily to long-term maintenance and preventing future episodes. Finally, we have TRS, or treatment-resistant schizophrenia. The 2026 IPS guidelines are very clear on this definition. A patient has TRS if there is a failure of response to two adequate trials of antipsychotics. That means two different medications given at the right dose for the right amount of time. Once a patient hits this criteria, you immediately need to look at specialized protocols like initiating clozapine. Understanding these four stages, prodrome, FEP chronic, and TRS, is the absolute foundation of staging your clinical management. If this quick breakdown helped clear up the timeline for you, hit that like button so this video can reach more people, and make sure you're subscribed for more evidence-based clinical breakdowns. Drop a comment below if you want a dedicated video on the exact dosing requirements that define an adequate trial for TRS. See you in the next video.